In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Chrome to access the network in your firewall or antivirus settings. If you've ever encountered issues where Chrome is struggling to connect to the internet, adjusting these settings can often be the key to resolving those issues. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get back online in no time. First, you'll want to start by searching for the control panel on your device. You can do this by heading to your search bar, usually found at the bottom left of your screen. Simply type in Control Panel, and it should appear as an option for you to select. Once you've opened the control panel, the next step is to click on System and Security. This is where you'll access the main settings for your device's security features. From here, look for and select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. This page is where we'll adjust the settings to make sure Chrome can seamlessly access the network. In the list that appears, locate Google Chrome. You might notice that the app is already listed there, but we need to ensure that it has the proper permissions. To do this, click Change Settings, and if prompted, confirm any administrative changes. This will enable you to make the necessary adjustments. Next, you'll click Allow another app if you don't see Chrome listed, or if you want to ensure that the correct version is allowed. This action will prompt a new window to open. Now, click Browse and navigate to where Google Chrome is installed on your computer. It's usually found in the Program Files folder under Google, then Chrome, and within the Application folder. Once you locate it, simply click Add, and then proceed by clicking OK to confirm these settings. Now that you've configured the firewall settings, our next move is to ensure antivirus settings aren't blocking Chrome either. To start, go back to your main settings and click on Update and Security. From there, proceed to Windows Security and then select Virus and Threat Protection. Once here, you'll see Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down to find Exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. This section allows you to specify any files or apps that should be excluded from scans and real-time protection. Click Add an Exclusion, then choose Folder from the drop-down options. Here, navigate to where Chrome is installed, just as you did earlier, and select the folder containing Chrome. Once you've done this, click Select Folder to finalize your exclusion. And just like that, your settings are complete. Google Chrome should now have the access it needs to connect to the network without any firewall or antivirus interference. Thank you for watching, and, as always, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.